Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'll be showing you how to make a super tasty and healthy homemade orange candy. First, I took 4 to 5 fresh oranges and grated their peel to get the zest. Then I squeezed out the juice. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and motivates me to create more content. And added it to a pan over low heat. Next, I added the orange zest, 1½ cups of sugar, and stirred it all together. Trust me, this candy is not only delicious but also healthy. Once you try it, you'll never want to buy candy from the store again. Now let's continue. A pinch of salt goes in next. Oh look, it's starting to boil. Give it another stir. Now add ½ cup of corn flour. Use a masher to make sure it blends well because corn flour can be a bit tricky and we don't want any lumps. After that, add a bit of butter. I'm adding butter to make the candy even healthier. The mixture will start to form a dough-like consistency, and at this point, you can either knead it with your hands or use a spatula if you prefer. I'd love to know where you're watching from, so feel free to leave a comment and tell me. I'm so curious to know where all my subscribers are tuning in from. Next, place the dough in a plastic bag and let it cool down for a few hours. Once it has cooled, it will firm up. Look at how soft and perfect it is now. You can shape it into cubes or any shape you like. After shaping, roll the pieces in sugar for that extra sweetness. This was my first time making this candy, and I'm never going back to store-bought candy again. You can even experiment with different flavors if you'd like. Don't forget to let me know how yours turns out in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz and take care.